Assalamu alaikum. This is Sunrise School System Lodhra. Today the topic of our activity is making sandwich. Here we have mashed potatoes, chopped onion, chopped garbage, chopped tomatoes and shredded chicken, tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. And the activity is totally based upon the student interest and learning. Now mix all the ingredients. Here we have chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, shredded chicken and then mix it. Now add mashed potatoes and mix it smoothly. Students are also learning very eagerly. Mix it smoothly and then add cabbage, which is mashed. You can also add thick yogurt, but it's optional if you like some juicy sandwiches. Now add tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, black pepper and a pinch of salt or as per taste. Now you can mix it properly. You can mix with a spoon or your hand, but I am comfortable with my hand, so I am doing so. Students are learning properly and also take part in activity very well. Now spread all the pudding on the one side of the bread. Here our yummy tasty sandwiches are absolutely ready. Try them, enjoy them, have fun guys. Allah Hafiz.